Hello, my name is Veena. I am in grade 12 and I currently attend Woburn Collegiate Institute under the Toronto District School Board. Over the past year, I've had the opportunity to work under the Online Research Co-op program with my mentor, Dr. Fabio Variola, who is an assistant professor at the University of Ottawa. Together, we focused on a branch of biomedical engineering, specifically bone tissue engineering, and we got to work on a research proposal where we talked about the various different natural materials in the environment that could potentially be used as a scaffold for bone regeneration or bone replacement for any damage. So what a scaffold is a template that allows for bone regeneration to occur upon in the process of healing damaged bone. Now, in order for a scaffold to be considered acceptable to act as a template, the scaffold must meet certain requirements. The scaffold must be biodegradable, meaning that it must be able to degrade in the body. It must be biocompatible, otherwise the scaffold might trigger deadly immunological responses. And finally, the scaffold must be mechanically strong enough to withstand the pressures that normal bone would normally withstand. Now, over the course of my reading, what I found was the majority of the research and experiments people have conducted completely omitted the option of natural materials, since natural materials often do not meet these requirements. Scaffolds such as polymeric-based scaffolds, ceramic scaffolds, metallic and even composite scaffolds, which are the most common types of scaffolds, all demonstrate stronger biocompatibility, biodegradability, and mechanical integrity when tested upon or implanted in the body. This brings on the question whether or not there is a natural material that can be found in nature that can potentially meet the golden standard for a successful bone scaffold. I determined this by taking a look at the various natural materials that people had previously investigated. By comparing the pros and cons of each material, I found that the bamboo was the most suitable candidate. Bamboo is very flexible as well as very structurally intact. The hollows inside the bamboo help serve the multiple purpose of being a crack deflector, site for vascularization, and cell proliferation. As well as having sufficient mechanical properties, bamboo is the only plant-based material that acts as a biocomposite consisting of fibers, making it potentially biocompatible with the bone environment. The fibers also pose the opportunity of biodegradability, as fibers are capable of being broken down with exposure to certain environmental conditions. The use of bamboo holds the potential of being a very effective scaffold in terms of clinical uses. Although there have not been many applications towards this particular material, based on its properties, the bamboo is a material that is worth investigating further on in developing a natural scaffold for the medical community. I'm Veena, and thank you for your time.